All right, two things really quick. I know I haven't explained anything yet, and I will in a second. The second thing, I know my energy has been lacking in the videos lately. I don't know why. I think it's probably just because this project has been dragging a little bit. But today I finally have a project that I'm like really excited about. We're finally gonna be lowering the red EK. And you guys probably see me jacking up this car right now and you're like, oh dude, you're really gonna take the coilovers from that car? And my answer to that question is, yeah, I'm gonna take the coilovers from this car. Now my logic behind it is these coilovers are just like street coilovers. And with this build, I'm like already going so bonkers that I kind of want to get some better coilovers for it. So I figured why not just take these ones out, use these in the red car, and then get some better coilovers for this one. It's a win-win. I'm just recycling coilover. But something I have to do actually, before I go any further, is make sure that these coilovers will fit an EK. I haven't done that yet. Kearney, sorry if this isn't a thing. But you guys can obviously tell that I'm like cranking right now to get this done, to get these coilovers out of here. And the reason being is because I live with my grandma and I'm at her house right now and I can't really be here while she's here since I could potentially be a carrier of the coronavirus. Not saying I think I have it, but I'm just saying since I was in Florida for like a week, you know, it's possible that I could have the virus and not show any symptoms. So I'm trying to have absolutely no contact with her. So she took my dog for a walk and she's gonna be back in like an hour. So I gotta have these coilovers off in under an hour. And that's what I plan to do. Yeah, you can, but I'm like done on this side.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Oh no.
What?
Right in my shot.
Huh?
Right in my shot.
I am your shot, bro.
Your booty's in my shot.
Alright, cleanup time.
Alright, we're good?
Yeah.
Neighbors.
So we're back at Kearney's house. That might have been a little bit crazy because as I said, I was like seriously rushing to get those coilovers off. I only had an hour, a little bit less than an hour actually. Now the EK is just sitting out front of Kearney's house and I'm gonna start putting those coilovers on that car sometime. I might do it today, I might do it tomorrow, I'm not sure yet. It's supposed to rain at some point today, so I would hate to start the job and then get rained out and then not have a car to drive just because I don't have an inside garage to work in. I'm basically gonna be doing this whole job like out there, like right there in the street. I might pull it around back, but we'll see. But I'm so excited for the EK to be low. I'm so excited for the EK to be stiff and rigid. You guys have no idea. Like daily driving that car is awesome, but daily driving it on that suspension like sucks. So I didn't want to start working on this car for YouTube videos yet. I wanted to finish the EG first and then bring this thing in for the build series. But I have to do this. I have to do this right now. I don't want to drive it how it is anymore. Like it just sucks. So I'm gonna put the coilovers on it. I'm not gonna touch it after that until we're done with the EG. And then we'll start the build series on that car. Also, I'm sorry for the like terrible facial hair. Like this is ridiculous. We've been in quarantine. I like haven't left Kearney's house. That was like the first time I've left Kearney's house in like 3 days. We're about to whip up some breakfast. We're about to whip up some eggs, bacon, hash browns. You know what I'm saying? Eggs, bacon, hash browns?
Eggs, bacon, hash browns.
Woo! Oh yeah, look at that. So after a little bit of breakfast, after a little bit of motivation, watching my friend Gingium build his all-wheel drive Rally Miata, I've decided that I'm gonna lower the EK today. I'm not even gonna wait till tomorrow. I'm gonna do it right now. I'm gonna do it right out there in the street. Her neighbors are going to think I'm crazy and they're gonna be like, what the heck is this kid doing? But man, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. I'm motivated. I got some coffee in me. I don't know if you can tell, but I don't know if you can tell, but I got some coffee in me right now. I need to shave my face before I go any further in this video.
I agree.
It's looking brutal. What do you guys think? Do I leave the mustache or no? Kearney hates when I leave the mustache. Should I do it? I'll put a poll up there. I'll put a poll up there. You guys let me know. Leave the mustache or get rid of it.
Don't leave it up to them.
this side is in. Fortunately, I didn't have to adjust any preload or ride height stuff yet because it's already set from the EEG. So I can just throw these right in. I'm gonna go ahead and put this tire back on and move to the rear. I'm gonna do the rear right now, and then I'm gonna lower this side down and do the other side. I'm gonna just go ahead and do this. Then once it's done, I'll lower the car down. I'll show you guys the fitment, see what it's like. It's gonna be crazy weird because tiny wheels, no offset. It's like, it's gonna be a pretty whack fitment, but it's just gonna be awesome that it's low. I'll show you guys lowering it down, and then we'll take it for a drive, and I'll let you guys know what I think. I'm pretty excited. Today I learned a lesson that I really hope I would never have to learn. I broke like the worst bolt ever. So this is the bolt right here that holds the trailing arm to the rear control arm, and I broke this bolt. See that? Now this really sucks for a couple reasons. I'm at Kearney's house. I'm in the street at Kearney's house, meaning that I'm gonna have to go get drill bits and stay out here in the street and drill out that bolt and buy a new one. This is bad. This was not in the plan for today. I'm gonna try to lower this car down and let it sit here while I do the other side for the coilovers and deal with this after I'm done installing the coilovers. But this is definitely a setback for sure. This sucks. Oh. The rear is still so high. Dude, that's good. That's looking good. Damn, look at her. Yes, it's so good. So I'm actually really happy with the ride height. It's low in the front. There's a little bit of gap in the rear, and I'm okay with that, honestly. I don't like when these things are super slammed in the rear. It's good, it's very even all around. This is solid. As I told you guys, I did snap that bolt. So I can't really drive this thing right now, which sucks, because I would love to take this thing out and drive it around. But I think I'm gonna have to wait till tomorrow to do that. I have to go get my drill, and I have to probably buy some drill bits, which really sucks. And I have to drill out that bolt. This really is a bad feeling. It's just gonna be a lot of work. I don't really know. I won't take up too much of your guys' time with it. I'll deal with my mistake, and I'll cut right to the fun part of this video for you guys. So that'll be driving this thing around. Might not be today, but it will be in this video, like next. Whew. I'm so excited to finally be working on cars again. It's been too long. It looks so good. It looks so good. I love that. Oh my God. Hey. All right, guys, guess what? I did it. And I lowered the rear more too. Check it out. She's low. Dude, I need to lower the front more now. That's insane. Damn, that sucks. I might have to raise the rear a little bit or lower the front. I don't know. We're gonna figure something out. But for now, I need to drive it. Here we go. I got all these tools in the back, so I'm not really gonna get into it at all right now. And it's wet out, and I'm on $38 tires. But I'm gonna drop off these tools first, and then I'll get like a good first impression. So far, I'm very happy. This feels so nice. It's just so nice to be low again. Oh, dude, even that was like so good. Oh, oh my God,
okay,
dude.
I can finally tell. Okay.
Oh yeah, right. Oh yeah. Dude, it's so much better. It's so ridiculous. It's so much better. Oh my Lord, dude. How awesome is that? That took me not even a whole day. 5-6 hours tops, and that was to remove them off the EG.
You did that in 40 minutes.
I took them off the EG in 40 minutes, went to your house, installed them. They were installed in like probably 2 hours tops. And then I had to deal with the bolt situation, which added quite a bit of time, but that wasn't, you know, that's not really an install. That's a wild card. And it's just such an improvement. I think when people ask like, oh, what's the best first mod for any car? It's like tires and suspension, tires and coilovers every single time. Doesn't even matter if you're getting like You know, these coilovers on this car, they're Blocks Racing, like street coilovers. They're 500 bucks, like cheap coilovers, and they're sick. I love them. As far as fitment goes, I do have to get some camber arms for the rear, like I was saying, because I have way too much negative camber right now. It's really bad. So I need to get some adjustable arms so that I can adjust those. And then I need to lower the front a little bit more because the front, there's like a little bit of a, so I gotta lower the front more, like I said. That is essential. It's just kind of sagging in the rear, which makes this thing look really poopy. Makes it look like I'm one of those guys who has blown out suspension when actually I'm on sick coilovers, dog. Woo! Yeah, it's so good. It's so good. This has been a great day. This has been a fantastic day of quarantine. So thank you, Caleb, for motivating me to do this, because I probably wouldn't have done it if you didn't call me out on Instagram yesterday. I just used my 50mm lens, this one right here, to take the thumbnail photos and to take some photos for Instagram, and this thing is insane. This thing is insane at taking photos. I want to take so many more.
Gotta stay healthy.
Those gummy vitamins. You guys saw the thumbnail. I'm gonna post some similar photos on my Instagram. If you guys want to see them, go check out the Instagram. It'll be in the description, but it's at boosted_John. Same as my YouTube channel, just with the at and underscore. Oh, look at her. She's so low. Like I was saying, the rear is a little bit lower. The front is a little bit higher, but I need to raise the rear a little bit. I think that's what I decided to do. There's just so much camber in the rear that raising the rear is the obvious choice, just until I get some camber arms so that I can adjust it. So that's where I'm gonna leave this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I can tell you that as of right now, while I'm talking to you right now at this part in the video, I've already edited like pretty much the rest of the video up until this point, and this is one of my favorite videos that I've made in a while. I just feel like my energy is where I want it to be. I feel like the editing is where I want it to be. I'm just really happy with this video, and I'm very excited to create something like this. I haven't felt like a YouTuber in a while, and I don't know why. It's so weird, but like today, this video has made me feel like a YouTuber again. So I love this car. I'm so excited to have this car and be working on something that I can drive, that I'm passionate about. It's fun. It's a very good feeling. And thank you guys for sticking around for the videos that were a little bit lacking in energy. Poopy caca. Poopy caca. Poopy caca. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Again, I'm giving away an entire year of YouTube revenue. If you want to have a chance to win, I'll be giving it away sometime in like August, probably.
Wait, you keep changing it.
I don't know, sometime this summer. I'm just gonna cut it off and I'll start figuring out who's gonna win. Because I need time to like pick a winner and like go to the winner and help them make the video. So I gotta just pick a deadline where I'm gonna cut it off. Yeah. But it's gonna be sometime at the end of this summer. All you have to do to have a chance to win is subscribe. I'll be putting out more instructions later. If you like this video, please click that thumbs up. Also, if you like this video, please click that subscribe button. And as I always say, boys, remember to plan, commit, execute, and attain your goals. Bye.